In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autoplay in Firefox. If you've ever opened a website and had a video or audio clip start playing automatically, you already know how distracting autoplay can be. Fortunately, Mozilla Firefox gives you full control over how websites handle media playback. Whether you want to block all autoplay, allow it on your favorite websites, or choose a more balanced setting, Firefox includes several options that let you customize the experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the autoplay settings and explain what each option does. To get started, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the application menu located in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines and provides access to Firefox's settings and customization options. From the menu, select Settings to open the browser's settings page. Once you're inside Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Continue scrolling until you reach the Permissions category, where Firefox stores settings related to website permissions such as notifications, camera access, microphone access, and autoplay. Under the Permissions section, locate the Autoplay setting and click the Settings button next to it. This will open the Autoplay settings window, where you can choose how Firefox handles media playback on websites. Inside the settings window, you'll see several available options. If you want the strongest level of control, select Block Audio and Video. This prevents websites from automatically playing both video and audio when a page loads, allowing you to decide when media begins playing. If you only want to stop sound from playing automatically, while still allowing silent videos to start, choose the option that blocks only audio. This can provide a quieter browsing experience while still allowing certain website animations or muted videos to play. If you don't mind websites starting media automatically, you can choose the option to allow audio and video. This setting permits supported websites to play media as soon as the page loads, without requiring any interaction from you. After selecting your preferred option, simply close the settings window. Firefox applies the new autoplay preference immediately, so there's no need to restart the browser or save your changes manually. If your browsing habits change in the future, you can always return to the same autoplay settings page and choose a different option. Firefox makes it easy to adjust these permissions whenever you need to. That's all there is to it. Enabling or disabling autoplay in Firefox only takes a few moments and gives you greater control over how websites play audio and video while you're browsing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,